In this video, I'll be explaining how bubble sort works using this array 11, 5, 2, and 9. Basically, bubble sort works like this. You compare two numbers. If the first number is larger than the second number, you swap them. So you continue doing it till it's in ascending order. So the largest number will end up being at the end. And this array, the largest number is 11. So let's do it. So when we compare 11 with 5, 11 is larger than 5. So we swap them to get 5, 11. And these two remain the same. We have 2 and 9. Next, we compare 11 to 2. 11 is larger than 2. Therefore, we swap them. We will have 5, 2, 11, and then 9. Next, we compare 11 to 9. 11 is larger than 9, so we swap them. And we will have 5, 2, 9, and 11. We can see that the largest number in the original array, which was 11, has now been bubbled up to the end. But the array is not yet sorted in ascending order. Therefore, we have to go again. Okay. We start from the leftmost number. We compare both of them. 5 is larger than 2. Therefore, we swap them to get 2, 5, 9, and 11. Now, from here, we can see that the array is sorted in ascending order. But that's not how bubble sort works. It's going to go through the entire array. Okay, so it's going to compare 5 and 9. 5 in this case is smaller than 9, therefore no swap occurs. Then it moves on to 9. 9 is smaller than 11, therefore it doesn't swap. Hence, our final array in ascending order is this. Hope it was easy to understand.